everyone, I'm Karen from the Round Lake Area Public Library, and today I am going to show you this month's mocktail. So a couple weeks ago my daughter went to prom, her senior prom, and at prom they had a signature cocktail called the All That Jazz. And she came home and told me about it, and I thought, what a perfect idea for a mocktail segment. So here we go. So this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need orange juice, a lemon or lemon juice, pineapple juice, some kind of clear soda. This is Sprite. You could use ginger ale, 7-Up, and grenadine. And then if you want to garnish it, you're gonna need either a pineapple slice or a maraschino cherry or something along those lines. So we're gonna start with putting 2 ounces of the orange juice in the cup. I'm gonna mix it in this cup and then I'm gonna pour it over ice. All right, and we will add 2 ounces of the pineapple juice. If you're getting it in a can like this, you're gonna wanna make sure that you shake it up. So 2 ounces of pineapple juice. And then we get 1 ounce of lemon juice, so that's like half of a lemon. And then we need half of an ounce of grenadine. So I found this grenadine in the liquor section. What does it taste like? I don't know if I've ever had this. Oh, it smells like cherries. I better look at my... No, it's not half. Oh yeah, it is half. Half of this. That's right. 1 ounce of the lemon, half of the grenadine, or 1 tablespoon. Then you're going to mix this up. Look at that pretty color. You see it? And I have a glass with ice, so I'm gonna pour this over ice. And then I'm gonna top it off with the Sprite. All right, I'm gonna give it a try. That's delicious. Nice and refreshing, perfect for a summer drink.